Welcome to YouTube. My name is Thok Nath. Today we are going to learn these English basic phrases in both English and Thok Nath. Let's get started. Before we proceed, please help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay. Look, check it out. Can I go with you? Can I tag along? Use your brain, use your noodle. Don't act stupid, don't play dumb. Let's eat, let's dig in. Now, what I just said, when you are learning, you can say, look, can I go with you? Use your brain, don't act stupid, let's eat, and so on. But when you want to speak like a native speaker, there's different way of saying this, okay? Let's say, look, when you want to say it in our native speak, they can say, check it out, check it out. Can I go with you? Can I tag along? Use your brain, use your noodles. Don't act stupid, don't play dumb. Let's eat, let's dig in. Okay, let's try to change these basic phrases into newer language. Well, look or check it out mean guiche. Check it out, guiche. Check it out, guiche. Or nana. Can I tag along? Chikondewo kel. Can I tag along? Chikondewo kel. Use your noodle. Leningedu. Leningedu. Use your brain or use your noodle. Don't play dumb. Chungar sikadwar. Ki shuro lele la dwar. Okay? Shuro jakadwar in your language. Let's eat or let dig in. You are saying in Thok Nath, Chanamit. Chanamit. Okay? Look or check it out, Guisha. Can I go with you? Can I tag along? Shikondewo kel. Use your brain, use your noodle. Learning you do. Don't act stupid, don't play dumb. Churo jakadwar, ki chulek chadwar. Let's eat, let's dig in. Chanamit. That's it. So please, I'm begging you to support me by subscribing. See you next time. Bye bye.